An Excel application is a spreadsheet written or tailored to meet specific needs, such as creating a receipt for a youth soccer league registrations or planning an Excel application includes designing how the worksheet will be organized. You can include different areas for each function depending on the complexity of the project. For example, an application often includes separate areas: enter and edit data, store data after it has been entered, use formulas to manipulate and perform calculations on data, display outputs such as reports and charts. Excel applications can be set up to help users understand how they will interact with the project. For example, if you take a look at the personal Excel application that I've designed here, I have a personal budget. In my personal budget, you'll notice that I have different sections that includes charts. I have different sections that includes different formulas that's being utilized to create and pull a lot of these charts. In this lesson for this week, you are going to learn how to plan and create an Excel application to meet your personal budget needs.